It's very light line over, which I did with a washer and a bolt to get it to over the limb, and then I pulled it through the main line, and now we need one of us on each side to cut it with the chain.
How do you?
Okay. Can you get over there? And you can turn it on automatic. This is a little caught though, so it's not in a good spot. Okay, you ready?
Okay.
And you need two people to pull it. If they pull it close together, one, the branch will fall on you, and second, it will make a narrow V and get stuck. Okay. Oh no, it has to come to me. Look where the chain is. It has to come to me, so let that come to me. More, a little more to me. Okay, now pull back and forth. Back and forth. Oh, there's track. Whee! Wow, is that slick?
Can you do that?
Much easier than climbing in the tree with a chainsaw, right? So here's the chain we used. It's just like the blades of a chainsaw, except we pull it back and forth. And it works surprisingly good for $30 or whatever I bought it for. It was much safer than climbing in a tree or going on a ladder to cut those branches down. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready to help me?
You like
It's
you like
tree pickup day tomorrow for Naperville, so I'm cutting some of my tree branches down so they can pick it up for free. This one will be